Conceptual Framework, highlight key theories or models relevant to your study. Part 1, the role of a conceptual framework in research. A conceptual framework serves as the foundation of a research study, outlining key theories, models, and concepts that explain the relationships between variables. It provides a structured guiding lens for understanding the research problem and ensures that the study is theoretically grounded. The conceptual framework is built upon established theories that support the study's objectives. These theories provide logical explanations for observed phenomena and help define how different variables interact. For example, in research on student motivation in technical-vocational education, TVET, theories such as self-determination theory, Deci Ryan, 1985, and expectancy-value theory, Wigfield Eccles, 2000, may explain how students' motivation affects their learning outcomes. By identifying and discussing key theories or models, the conceptual framework clarifies the study's direction and helps justify the chosen research design. A well-structured framework defines key constructs and their relationships, provides theoretical support for hypotheses or research questions, connects past research to the current study, helps interpret findings in a meaningful way. For instance, if a study explores the impact of digital tools on student engagement in TVET, the conceptual framework might integrate constructivist learning theory, Piaget, 1950, to explain how digital resources facilitate active learning. Additionally, technology acceptance model, Davis, 1989, could be included to analyze how students perceive and adopt new learning technologies. A strong conceptual framework ensures that the study is not conducted in isolation but is instead anchored in existing knowledge. By explicitly linking the study to relevant theories, researchers provide a clear rationale for their investigation and ensure that their findings contribute to ongoing academic discussions. Part 2, developing and structuring the conceptual framework. Once the key theories and models are identified, the next step is to develop and structure the conceptual framework to align with the study's objectives. A well-organized framework visually and textually represents the relationships between variables, allowing researchers to clearly articulate how different elements of their study are connected. A typical conceptual framework consists of the following elements: independent and dependent variables, identify the key factors influencing the research problem. For example, in a study on the effectiveness of blended learning in TVET, the independent variable might be teaching modality, traditional versus blended, while the dependent variable could be student performance or engagement. Theoretical foundations explain the relevant theories guiding the research. For instance, if the study focuses on student learning behaviors, it may incorporate Vygotsky's sociocultural theory, 1978, which emphasizes the role of social interaction in cognitive development. Intervening or moderating variables recognize other factors that might influence or modify the relationship between variables. If researching technology use in TVET, a moderating variable could be students' digital literacy levels, affecting their ability to engage with online learning tools. To present the conceptual framework effectively, researchers can use diagrams or flowcharts to illustrate relationships between key concepts. Narrative explanations to clarify how theories apply to the study. Empirical evidence from past research to validate the chosen framework. For instance, a study investigating job readiness among TVET graduates might incorporate human capital theory, Becker, 1964, which suggests that education and training enhance individuals' economic productivity. A diagram might show TVET training as an independent variable, influencing graduates' employability, dependent variable, with factors like internships or industry partnerships acting as moderators. A well-constructed conceptual framework ensures that the research remains focused, coherent, and theoretically sound. It also helps researchers analyze results systematically by aligning findings with established models. By effectively integrating key theories, the study contributes to a deeper understanding of the research topic and provides valuable insights for future studies. Final thoughts: a conceptual framework is more than just a theoretical background, it serves as a blueprint for the study's overall structure. By highlighting key theories and models, defining variables, and illustrating relationships, researchers create a solid foundation for their investigation. If you like this kind of content, click subscribe to be updated on the next video. Thank you for watching.